Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the full development of a Candy Crush game using MGX. Along the way, I'll highlight some key features like incremental modifications, connecting to Supabase, deployment, and more. Everything you need to get even better at developing with MGX. First off, if you want to dive into development quickly, you can simply add Alex in the prompt. By add an agent individually, you're directly assigning a specific agent to handle the task, no need for a team leader to step in and assign it. Take a look at this Bootstrap page. The web app we're developing will have both dev and prod versions. Let's start by debugging the dev version and get it to an ideal state. As we can see, the game is complete, and the candy elimination logic is working fine. However, the dynamics during elimination feel a bit off. So I've assigned Alex to continue optimizing those dynamics. When making detailed changes, be sure to describe the effect you want as clearly and specifically as possible in the prompt. Great, we can see the elimination feature has been added successfully. However, the gap between the round candies is a bit too large, and it doesn't look as nice as it could. I'd like to change them to squares, and let's add some patterns to the candies as well. Yes, let's tell Alex to try drawing some simple patterns for the candies. You can type in the prompt, keep everything else the same, to make sure MGX doesn't alter any parts that don't need to be changed. Oh great, we've created a nice looking Candy Crush in no time. Now let's dive into some of the more advanced features, like connecting to Supabase for login functionality. You might have noticed the Supabase logo at the top right of the page. First, you'll need to create a database on your Supabase page. Just click Learn More in the top right corner, and Supabase will guide you through the process. Once that's set up, all you have to do is click Connect to Supabase, or Add New One, and then select the link to the project you've created. Once the link is established, MGX will send a message in the dialog box confirming that the connection was successful, meaning Supabase is now available. At this point, we can ask Alex to handle the login process. Now that the login page has been successfully developed, let's test its functionality. A successful enrollment prompt means you can now log in with this account. After logging in, we need to make sure the game is accessible. Let's prompt Alex to refine it further and ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's give it another try. Once logged in, the game score records for different accounts should remain separate. Now, let's register another account and log in to confirm that the game data remains separate between the two accounts. The web page successfully verifies that the account and password match during login. After logging into another account, I was able to see the previous account's score on the scoreboard. This confirms that the login functionality, implemented by connecting to Supabase, is working as expected. Once you're satisfied with the debugging in the dev version, you can click the Deploy button in the app viewer to push the page to the stable prod version. After deployment, you can continue making changes in the dev version without affecting the prod version until the next deploy. Get started building your first game and have an amazing experience with MGX. Thanks for watching. We've got plenty more great videos. Don't forget to subscribe.